Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Tanie Codes. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to download and install codeblocks. So codeblocks is a C++ and C IDE. So this is the codeblocks icon over here on my desktop. So this is what we're going to be installing. So an IDE is an integrated development environment. So over there you can type in your code, be able to compile it and run it. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment in the comment section and share this video. So yeah, let's hop right into it. So firstly, you want to go to your favorite web browser. Any web browser will do, and you're gonna search codeblocks download. You're gonna write that on your search bar, and then you're going to look for a link where it says www.codeblocks.org and click over there, and then you're going to choose to download the binary release, and then you're going to choose your packaging, your setup package according to your platform. So if you're using Windows, you're going to click over here. If you're using Mac OS, you're going to click over here. So I'm using Windows, so I clicked over there, and you're going to scroll down, and here are your Microsoft Windows packaging. So normally we click over this one if you have already installed mingw. Mingw is a C++ compiler. So if you already have that in your Windows and it's properly running, you can download this one. But I would recommend, just to be safe, to download this one, which comes with the mingw setup. So you're gonna click here on source fortinet, and normally after clicking here, it's going to download automatically. So here's my download over here, and then when you're done downloading, it's going to say thank you for downloading codeblocks. So you're going to wait for this to download. When your file has finished downloading, you're going to go to my files, go to your downloads, and then press your codeblocks file setup. So normally it's going to ask you for a permission, so you're gonna press yes, and this installation window will pop up on your screen, and then it says welcome to codeblocks setup. You're going to click next, and it's going to show your license agreement. You're going to agree, and then these are your features and tools and everything. So you don't want to change anything over here, so you're just gonna click next, and then here's your installation location. So you should take note of this path over here. So your installation file is going to be saved on your program files codeblocks, and you're gonna click install. So I already have codeblocks installed on my computer, so that's why it's giving me this pop-up. So if you do not have codeblocks already in your computer, I don't give you this, so do not worry about that. I'm just gonna click yes, and then you're gonna wait for it to install. Codeblocks is being installed, so it's not going to take a lot of time. So I'm gonna be back. So after the installation process is done, it's gonna give you this window over here that says run codeblocks now. You're gonna say no, because we have to firstly do something before we can run our codeblocks. So you're gonna just say next, then finish. Before we can launch our codeblocks, we need to do one more thing. We need to add the location of mingw installation to the path enrolment variables, so that we can use the C++ tools and stuff. So to do that, firstly we're going to go to my files, and then go to this PC, and then your C drive. So remember when I said you should take note of the path where our codeblocks is being installed. So we go to program files, and then we look for codeblocks, and then you're gonna click on mingw, then bin, then you're gonna come here on our search panel, and then we're gonna copy everything that's here. So we're gonna copy everything that's here. Then after copying this path, you're going to exit over here, or if you want, you can use control panel to add the path. So you're gonna say control panel on your Windows button, then system security, then system, or alternatively you can also go to your my files, this PC, and then right click over here, properties, and then advanced system. So you can see that the window also appears when you use files, and also appears when you directly search the control panel. So you're gonna click over here, that's where it says advanced system settings, and you're gonna click where it says environment variables. Then you're going to add a path, so you're going to click here where it says paths, and then you're adding a new path, so you're going to say new, and then you're going to paste that path that you copied earlier on. So when you do that, then you're going to say okay, and okay, and okay, and you're gonna exit here and exit over here also. So to check if your compiler was successfully installed and working as it should, you go to your start button and then type in cmd. So you wanna open the command prompt, then you open it, and then you're going to type gcc minus version. So if you have this over here, which means your compiler was installed successfully, so we can launch our code blocks. So let's launch our code blocks. Once our code blocks is launched, you're going to see here it says create a new project. So here is where you go if you want to create a new project. So if you have existing projects that you want to work on, you can click here, open an existing project. So let's say you want to create a new project, you're gonna click here, and then we're gonna click console application. You also have other categories, other templates, but in this course, in the C++ course for beginners, we're going to use console applications. So you're gonna press go, and then next, and then you're gonna choose which language you're going to use, which programming language you're using, and we're using C++. So you're gonna click on next, and you're gonna write your project name. So we can just say test. Oh my God. We can just say test, and so here's your compiler over here, the compiler that we installed, and then finish. And then you're gonna come over here, here are your sources, and then this is your source code. So then we already have when you click when you go to your code blocks for the first time, you're gonna have this, and then if you wanna run this, you can press over here, say, so this button is to run your program, and then either you can build and run, so it's going to build first then run, or you can just build whilst you type in your program, and if you want to see if it's working properly, then you can run. So let's just say build and run. So it's building over here. Amazing. Then this window is going to show hello world. See, that's our console out over here. So You can add another code if you want. Let's say out subscribe to tiny codes. Subscribe to tiny codes. So we've added a new line, so we're gonna build and run. So it's building over here.
Amazing!
Yes, hello world, subscribe to tiny codes. So this is basically how Codeblock works. So I hope you guys understood and followed along well. In our next video, we're going to be talking about variables and data types. So stay tuned and click on that notification bell so that you can be the first to be notified when I release that video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment in the comment section, and share this video to anyone who you think might be interested in learning C++, and I'll see you next time.